The JARVA Cold Brew System uses 64-ounce wide-mouth mason jars to steep medium or coarse ground coffee directly in water. To start, we first want to mix our desired ratio of coffee and water into the steeping jar. For this batch, we will be brewing a concentrate that will be diluted 1 part concentrate to 1 part water before consumption, or half and half. To achieve this ratio, we will be mixing 187 grams of coffee with 1,500 milliliters of cold or room temp water. Please see the description below for our full ratio guide with additional recipes. Once mixed, shake the batch and allow to steep in the fridge or at room temp for 12 to 24 hours. Please ensure you thoroughly read the safeguards and detailed instructions in the manual before starting. Quick tip before getting started. Please check the one-way air straw by connecting it to the pump tip. The connection should be just tight enough to hold the weight of the device. If the connection feels a bit tight, then it just needs a little breaking in. Attach the straw and give it a quick rotation around the top while applying steady pressure. This will help loosen the connection, making it easier to remove during cleaning. Next, place a natural paper filter on top of the stainless steel disc filter and wet in the sink so the two bond together. Insert the disc filter into the center of the device with the paper filter facing up. Insert the bottom of the one-way air straw through the center of the cone filter from the top and slide the straw down. Firmly attach the bottom of the one-way air straw to the pump tip in the center of the device and slide the cone filter down into place. Ensure the cone filter is set flush against the disc filter. Next, thoroughly shake the steeping jar with the coffee to loosen any settled grounds. Remove the cap from the steeping jar and wipe off any loose coffee grounds from the top of the rim. Take the device and insert into the steeping jar with the filter side down. Firmly attach the device by screwing the threads clockwise until tight. Ensure the power button is pressed outward and in the off position, then remove the socket protector and firmly connect the power cable. Firmly grasp the system and flip it 180 degrees so the bottom of the device is securely placed in the top opening of the empty collection jar. Then, press the power button to activate the device and begin filtration. Closely monitor the system during the entire filtration process. If any clogging is detected or liquid stops flowing, turn off the system and unplug the device. Please note the system will automatically turn off after 3 minutes, though typical filter time is as little as 60 seconds depending on grind size and ratio. Once there is no longer a steady stream of liquid filtering through, manually press the power button off to deactivate the system. Allow a few moments for any remaining liquid to drip through. Disconnect the power adapter from the system and insert the socket protector into the power socket. Carefully separate the system from the bottom jar and place upright. Cap the jar with the filtered concentrate and store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Bring the system to the sink and loosen the device from the jar by rotating it counterclockwise to unscrew it. Grasp the one-way air straw and disconnect both the straw and cone filter from the device. Twisting the straw makes for easy removal. Rinse the 2 parts under warm water, then remove the straw from the cone filter. Remove the disc filter from the device by tapping the device upside down. Separate and dispose of the used paper filter. Reconnect just the straw to the device and lightly rinse from the top side only. Note: the device is not dishwasher safe. Next, discard or compost the used coffee grounds. Rinse the jar free of any remaining coffee grounds. It's best to dispose of as much of the coffee as you can before cleaning in the sink. Please be sure to follow the full cleaning and maintenance instructions outlined in our manual. Now you're ready to enjoy your cold brew. Dilute the concentrate to your desired strength and enjoy. Please remember to read the safeguards and full instruction guide linked below. Feel free to contact the JARVA team with any questions you may have. Don't forget to follow us on social media for JARVA updates, tips, and special offers. Thanks for watching.